What's up, everybody? It's Sunny at Black Flag Off-Road. We want to do a little tech tip, little tutorial on how to check if your stator is good or bad in your Can-Am. This is a 2019 Can-Am X3 XRC. The stator in the 18, 19s, 20, 21s are all the same. 22, they went to a 850 watt stator. This is a 600 watt stator. So if you're having charging issues, battery's dead all the time, this is just a quick test that you can do to see if it's bad. So what you have here is this is your voltage regulator. Your stator sits inside this. So this is creating power that goes into here. It's the voltage regulator. It's changing it from AC power to DC power. So a quick test to see if this stator's bad. There's 3 yellow wires that came from the stator to the voltage regulator. You want to pull that out. Get your multimeter. You want to get your multimeter and set it to ohms. And then we want to test each leg of this plug. So we'll check leg 1 and 2. Put that in there. So we have 1 and 2 showing 0.4 ohms, which is good. The spec is 0.1 to 1 ohm is acceptable. I like to see the 0.4. Every one I've done, it's been right there. So I'm going to go from leg 1 to 3, 0.4. And then we will go 2 to 3, 0.4. So that's great. So that means that the stator isn't grounded out in there. It's doing its job. We'll plug this back in. Then we'll check voltage. We'll come in the car. We're going to switch our multimeter to DC voltage. If you don't know the difference between DC and AC voltage on your, this is AC when it has that line above your volts, so that's alternating current. DC, you'll have a solid line and a dash light. That's direct current. So we'll set this in here. For this test, you're going to want the car running. And we're just going to put our multimeter on the battery. We've got 14.2 volts, which is acceptable. 14.2, 14.4 is all acceptable output from your stator to your voltage regulator to there. So this charging system is exactly where it needs to be. If you get different values, let's say we had our 0.04 ohms coming from the stator. We go to test it there and we don't have the 14.4 volts. We know that our voltage regulator isn't working. So that's the easy way to tell if your charging system's working. Thanks for tuning in.